Okay, this is Yasmin, who we actually caught at the end of yesterday on the first day of the Permanent Makeup Startup course. So she's come in this morning, bouncing off the walls, and we thought we'd just have to find out how she got on last night. She had a bit of a drive back last night, and just her thoughts reflecting back on the first day. So Yasmin, over to you. So how have we been getting on?
Yeah, I was actually talking to one of my friends yesterday when I came back, and I was really buzzing. And I remember reading some of your reviews and people saying they come back after day one really buzzing, but it's absolutely true. And what I was saying to my friend, it's not, you don't just come and learn a skill. Actually, what Katy does is actually empower women. Yeah. And it's about empowering women to, you can do it, you can open a business. You know, and it doesn't matter if you're a single mum or, you know, whatever, you can actually do this and make money from it. And I think that was the bit that I think is absolutely, in a way, life-changing.
Yeah.
And that's what's really kind of kept with me. You know, you can go to into a course and learn the skill, and it's isolated, and then you go off into the real world. Now, how do you actually transfer that, what you've learned? And I think exactly what I've just said, it's that transference of skills for you to then be able to see it in real life, build on it, make it your own, and make money from it. I think it's amazing.
Excellent. Well, great. We'll give you a break now. Pass on to practice skins and tattooing and stuff, and we'll probably catch you at the end of the day.
Yeah, thank you.
Cheers then, Yasmin.